Are you concerned about unexpected medical bills or final expenses potentially wiping out your hard-earned retirement savings? It's a question many seniors face, and it's a valid one. The thought of leaving loved ones with financial burdens after you're gone can be incredibly unsettling. In today's reality, planning for the future is more crucial than ever, especially as we navigate our golden years. Life insurance isn't just another financial product, it's a key piece of the puzzle, offering a vital safety net for your family. We understand that navigating the many options available can feel overwhelming and confusing. So are there specific life insurance policies truly designed with seniors in mind? Absolutely. The good news is that affordable coverage and genuine peace of mind are well within reach. This video is dedicated to breaking down the best life insurance options for 2025, tailored specifically for seniors. We'll provide personalized guidance, helping you understand how to choose the right policy that perfectly fits your unique needs and circumstances. We'll explore traditional options like term and whole life insurance, and even delve into some surprising alternatives you might not have considered. Our goal is to empower you with clear, actionable information. Main policy types: term life insurance. Let's start with term life insurance, often considered the most budget-friendly option, especially for those on a fixed income. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period or term, which could be 10, 20, or even 30 years. If you pass away within that defined term, your beneficiaries receive a predetermined death benefit. This type of policy is straightforward. You pay premiums for the duration of the term, and your loved ones are protected during that time. It's an excellent choice if you need coverage for a specific financial obligation, like paying off a mortgage or providing for dependents until they become self-sufficient. The premiums are generally lower than permanent policies, making it accessible for many seniors. However, a common question arises: what happens after the term ends? Well, at the end of the term, the coverage typically expires. You might have the option to renew, but often at a significantly higher premium, or convert it to a permanent policy. This means if you outlive the term, there's no payout, which is a key distinction from other policy types. Next, we have whole life insurance, a more permanent solution designed to cover you for your entire life, as long as premiums are paid. Unlike term life, whole life insurance doesn't expire, providing lifelong peace of mind. This permanence is a significant advantage for those looking for guaranteed coverage. One of the most attractive features of whole life insurance is its cash value component. A portion of your premium payments goes into a cash value account that grows over time on a tax-deferred basis. This cash value can be accessed later in life, either through loans or withdrawals, offering a flexible financial resource. Pros include guaranteed premiums that never increase, a guaranteed death benefit, and the accumulating cash value. This cash value can serve as an emergency fund or a source of supplemental income in retirement. However, the main con is the cost. Whole life premiums are considerably higher than term life premiums for the same death benefit. It's a long-term commitment with a higher upfront investment. Universal life insurance offers a blend of features from both term and whole life policies, providing more flexibility. Like whole life, it's a permanent policy with a cash value component that grows over time. However, Universal Life allows you to adjust your premiums and death benefit more easily. This flexibility means you can potentially pay more into the policy when you have extra funds, or reduce payments if your financial situation tightens. The cash value growth in Universal Life policies is tied to interest rates, which can fluctuate, unlike the guaranteed growth in whole life. This introduces a degree of variability. The ability to adjust premiums and death benefits can be very appealing, especially for seniors whose financial situations might change. You can use the cash value to cover premiums, or even increase the death benefit if your needs evolve. However, the fluctuating interest rates mean the cash value growth isn't guaranteed, and there's a risk of the policy lapsing if the cash value can't cover the costs. So, is this the best option for you? It depends on your comfort with flexibility versus guarantees. When it comes to choosing the right life insurance policy, several key factors should guide your decision. Your age, current health status, and, of course, your budget are paramount. These elements will significantly influence the types of policies available to you and their associated costs. Being realistic about your financial capacity is crucial to maintaining coverage. Beyond personal circumstances, consider your specific financial goals for the policy. Are you primarily looking to cover final expenses, such as funeral costs and medical bills, ensuring your family isn't burdened, or do you wish to leave a substantial inheritance? Perhaps to grandchildren or a favorite charity? Perhaps you need to protect your family from outstanding debts, or provide for a surviving spouse. To aid your decision-making, we've put together a simple checklist. First, determine your primary goal for the insurance. Second, assess your current health and any pre-existing conditions. Third, calculate a realistic budget for monthly or annual premiums. Fourth, consider how long you anticipate needing coverage. Finally, think about whether you prefer guaranteed cash value growth or more flexibility. This checklist will help narrow down your options and clarify your priorities. Let's do a quick side-by-side comparison of the main policy types we've discussed. Term life insurance offers the lowest cost and covers a specific period, with no cash value. Whole life insurance provides lifelong coverage, guaranteed premiums, and a guaranteed cash value that grows steadily. Universal life insurance also offers lifelong coverage and cash value, but with more flexibility in premiums and death benefits. Though cash value growth can fluctuate, each has its unique advantages depending on your priorities for cost, coverage duration, and cash value accumulation. Now, what about those surprising alternatives we mentioned earlier? For many seniors, traditional term or whole life policies might not be the perfect fit due to health concerns or budget constraints. This is where specialized options come into play, offering viable solutions for specific needs. These alternatives are often designed to be more accessible. Two prominent alternatives are final expense insurance and guaranteed acceptance life insurance. Final expense insurance, also known as burial insurance, is a type of whole life policy with a smaller death benefit, specifically designed to cover end-of-life costs. It typically has simplified underwriting, making it easier to qualify. Guaranteed acceptance life insurance, as the name suggests, guarantees approval regardless of your health, though it often comes with higher premiums and a waiting period before the full death benefit is paid. Are these alternatives right for you? They could be excellent choices if you have significant health issues or are primarily concerned with covering final expenses without a medical exam. However, it's essential to understand their limitations, including potentially lower death benefits and higher costs compared to fully underwritten policies. What about hidden fees and pitfalls? We'll dive deeper into those crucial details in our next discussion. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of term and whole life insurance to the flexibility of universal life. We've also touched upon the specialized alternatives, like final expense and guaranteed acceptance policies. Understanding these options is the first step towards securing your family's financial future. In our next video, we'll be diving even deeper into these alternatives, specifically unveiling the hidden costs and potential pitfalls you need to be aware of. We'll also guide you through the process of getting personalized quotes and comparing policies from top-rated insurers, ensuring you make the most informed decision. Our goal is to equip you with all the knowledge necessary to navigate this important choice with confidence. Don't miss out on that crucial information. Make sure you subscribe to our channel right now and hit that notification bell so you're alerted as soon as our next video is released. The title of our next essential guide is Unveiling the Hidden Costs of Senior Life Insurance. We're committed to providing you with clear, actionable insights every step of the way.